This is supposed to be the best hack for all parties. All you need is a balloon, glue, and glitter. It looks too good to be true. Let's try it out. Grab your balloon and write whatever you want with a glue stick. I'm writing love. After you're done, shower it with glitter. I chose gold. Make sure you coat all the parts where you put glue. Shake it off and... moment of truth! Wow, it's so cute, I love it. I'm doing this every birthday. Did you know that you can use sticky notes to color fabric? Neither did I. The water dissolves the color from the sticky note and transfers it on the fabric. That looks so cool, I'm going to try it on this already pink tote bag. Put them how you would like the design to come out. Spray it with water until it coated fully. Fold it to create pressure, spray it again, and keep folding. Time for the results. Oh my god, it definitely works. If you have long nails or you're just really bad at picking up cards, this hack is for you. I really hope it works because I'm really clumsy, and this would really come in handy. Put tape on the edge of your card, fold it, and let's test it out. Easy, super easy. Wow, it works! This is the easiest way to cut a cake. It looks perfect. Well, I love cake, so let's try it out. Cut, 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 and cut. Huh? It's mushing it. Maybe it only works with that type of cake. How to split pills in half. It looks super easy. Let's test it out, and it works. I give it a big thumbs up. Did you know that you can use a soap dispenser to make milky foam on your coffee? Neither did I, but it looks legit and fun on top of that. Let's test it out. Pour milk in the soap dispenser and tighten the lid. Grab your coffee and pump the milk out. I don't think it's working. I know your AirPods get dirty too, but have you ever cleaned them like this? Neither have I. It looks so easy, I have to try it. Well, this is embarrassing, but look at it. Now get a pre-chewed gum and stick the AirPod in. Wow. Oh my god. Look! It works. Did you know you can reuse your candles? Neither did I. With a few leftover wax, you can make a brand new candle. Let's try this incredible trick out. All we need is to put hot water in the candle glass and wait for it to melt. When it's melted, the candle liquid goes up and creates a layer of candle that will be easier to get out. Now, let's just stack all of our leftover candle in a new jar, and wow, it really works. Can't wait to light it tonight.